Dumelang Lindlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords umkhokha the curse. Aye guys, umkhokha. Okay. Umabusi is still worried ngendaba yomkhokha, right? Ukuthi umkhokha is going to follow them whether they like it or not. So Ugirl opted out to making sure ukuthi she secures a future for Uzamcolo. Ugirl asks uNokubonga ukuthi Nokubonga, can you please be my husband's wife in an instance where I pass away, right? Because we can see ukuthi umkhokha is going to take me whether I like it or not. Guys, have we forgotten as a country or as umkhokha watchers ukuthi uNokubonga was naughty? Ukuthi uNokubonga unento zakhe nje eziseqeleni ebezistowed. uNokubonga bekahleba ngalo girl lo bani konje unobuntu ayenzana ahlekisa ngaye ayenzana like have we forgotten all that manje njengoba sesijabula ukuthi usibahla ngeke kube uyumfazi kaMkhululi, but it will rather be unomkhosi. I've not forgotten as yet. I have just not forgotten. But ke with that said, I'm not sure ukuthi uMabusi uyaphuma or kwenzakalani. All right, uMamzobe went to the church, pleaded with the church, begged the church to take her back. Abantu bangafuni, including Insika kaMkhululi being uNdlovu. Insika kaMkhululi said no, uMkhululi cannot be around people like you for obvious reasons that uMamzobe did wrong, right? However, Uzamcolo was like, Umvelasi would forgive. So who am I not to forgive? So let's forgive uMamzobe. uMamzobe ahambeke sekaxoleliwe ayoqela ukuqala iclass afresh. Uphakathwayo ke uMamzobe uMbathubani Uzamcolo bekamtshela ukuthi support your wife and but you could see ukuthi he's doing it out of compliance and not necessarily out of love, because he is tired, understandably so, because uMamzobe awucha ugirl utricky uslimy ungenye indlela. Okay fine, sisamangeleleko kuvele laba bayithuke abadinayo uMenga nobuntu. Umenga is just expecting business to rise in one day, but I think ukuthi into ezobuyisela unobuntu ekhaya ile scam ebazama ukusizama nje, because bayenza ngathi your forex trading lies or stuff like that, because it doesn't seem legit whatever Menga is trying to do. It's as if they're gonna chow people's monies and that's it. But will ke unobuntu go back to her parents' house? Because even ubakabisile ubonise Uzamcolo video or Instagram posts zakanobuntu athi like girl is living large, girl is making things happen, girl nje is just living yithi nje esimbambezelayo, yithi abo ordinary people. Unfortunately, Upakatwa was not impressed at this life. I lo ayikho right. And if they could see ukuthi man something is fishy la, it means vele ukuthi something is fishy. But yeah, that is the sum of what happened on Umkhokha the curse. I have a flu, I cough like crazy, but I'm glad that I did not cough on you on this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.